After installing Python, we don't actually need any other program to build and run Python code. So we'll use Notepad just to demonstrate the inconveniences of not using an IDE. Code is used to automate any repetitive task and get the computer to do what we need. Python executes each line of code from top to bottom, and so it matters in what order we write the code. Anything after the pound symbol is known as a comment and is ignored by Python. If we want to show something on the screen, then we use the built-in print function, which outputs anything that we put between the brackets. Here I'm using quotation marks because I'm specifically printing out text. And we can also add comments in line with our code. Now we save the file. I'll name it Hello World. File names can't have spaces, that's why I have the underscore here. Now there's two things we need to note here. First, we need to save our file with the .py extension. And we need to copy the location where our file is saved. Since we are using Notepad to write our code, we need to follow a long-winded approach to execute our Python file. First, we open up Terminal and navigate to the folder where our file is saved. To do that, we type cd, which stands for change directory, then paste the location where our file is saved, and hit enter. To execute our Python code, we type Python and the name of the file. If we take a look at the output, we see that each line is printed in the order that it was typed out, and that comments don't affect the code in any way, because Python didn't throw any errors.